Hey everyone, welcome back to At Home with Sonja. Today I'm giving my Easter front porch a beautiful and inviting refresh. Even though it's still chilly here and I can't plant real flowers yet, that doesn't mean we can't make our porch feel warm and festive. I'll be adding pops of color, layers of texture, and lots of florals, including some wallflowers to bring that fresh spring look even in the cold. If you love budget-friendly decorating, seasonal styling, and DIY home decor, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. Let's jump right into decorating. I'm starting with a clean slate. I've removed all of my winter decor, given the porch a good sweep, and now it's time to bring in the Easter charm. First, I'm hanging up my Easter wreaths. I found these at a local greenhouse during an end of a season sale for just $13 each. One of them was missing a few eggs, so I'm adding a couple more to refresh the look. Since we get a lot of wind here, some decor pieces tend to get a little weathered, but small touch-ups can make a big difference. Next, I'm layering two doormats to add depth and texture to the space. I'm placing a pattern rug from Hobby Lobby that I had for years and still love. And then it's a classic sisal rug from IKEA. This simple layering trick helps create a cozy and welcoming entryway. Moving to the light fixture, I'm adding a DIY hanging basket that I originally made on my DIY channel years ago. To fill it, I first tried birch branches, but decided to keep it simple with eucalyptus leaves, mix of green spring florals, dogwood stems, and some hanging elements to create dimension. For my planters, I'm bringing back birch branches, a styling method I've been using for a while, and to complement them, I'm adding spring wreaths to give the illusion of a floral nest. Since the ground still is too frozen to adjust the pots, I'm working with what I have. I am also tucking in dogwood branches, faux daffodils from Dollarama, and some cascading greenery to complete the look. And to tie it all together, I'm placing a few decorative bunnies and adding some curly willow for an extra whimsical touch. Then I'll repeat the process on the other side of the porch to create balance. Over by the door, I decided to add a woven basket filled with grassy garland and some blue and white ceramic eggs from HomeSense. These delicate eggs add a subtle but elegant Easter touch. Next to it, I'm placing my new DIY topiary bunny. To give it more height, I popped it into a woven basket, and I love how it elevates the whole display. On the opposite side, I'm styling a cozy sitting area with a soft beige blanket and a pillowcase from Temu. If you watch my front entryway decorate with me, you may have already seen the matching pillow. It's such an affordable way to switch up seasonal decor. And with that, my Easter front porch is complete. I love how warm and inviting it feels even in the cooler weather. What's your favorite part of this Easter setup? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next seasonal decorating video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.